description provided by the architects. The flat land of generous dimension is located in a very wooded subdivision with preserved areas of native forest at the foot of the Serra do Japi. Considered a national heritage due to its biodiversity, this mountain is home to an extensive reserve of Atlantic forest. Observation of this exuberant environment were fundamental for the general direction of the project, which started from the premise of a single-story house that was positioned in such a way as not to remove any existing trees and harmoniously coexist with the local nature. As a reference to the natural permeability of the tree tops, we made a series of voids in the roof slab, totaling 40 spans. This voids allows the entry of sun and wind and the creation of gardens inside the house. In addition to generating interesting contrasts of light and shade and allowing views of the trees. The volumetry is composed of 4 blocks. Longitudinally, there are the service block, the intimate pavilion for the bedrooms, and the TV room and the sauna block. Positioned transversely in a more prominent way the social block with higher ceilings and that houses the living room and the kitchen. The social, intimate, and sauna blocks are interconnected by metal structure roof that protects the bedroom veranda and the gourmet veranda.